Hello, Miss Marta.
Hi, Mr. Dave.
Hello. Please tell me about this wonderful cooking class that you have going here at Noggin Builders.
Well, the cooking class is one of my favorite classes. The children get very engaged in the experience of being able to do things themselves. And they learn a lot from it too. They can build their math skills, practice their fine motor skills, build vocabulary. There are a lot of learning going on. And at the end, you get to eat something delicious too.
Very nice. Now, do you do the cooking the whole class? Do you break it up any other way?
Well, we usually begin with a story, and the recipe is connected to the story. One of the favorites recently was if you give a moose a muffin, and we made chocolate muffins.
Excellent. Were they just basic chocolate muffins or anything special in there?
No, it had a really fun, healthy twist. They were chocolate zucchini muffins.
Zucchini.
Yes, zucchini.
You gotta tell me about this.
The recipe is on our website for anyone who wants to try it. And the children, as young as 4, are very capable of doing the measuring, the scooping. They can grate the zucchini. They get to stir the ingredients together, and they can even spoon it into the muffin tins. We can do retakes over and over. So.
Blooper reel. What is this camera doing? Questions for you. Hold still. Hold still. Excellent. I don't know what I'm looking into. I don't know how a camera works, but okay.
There you go.
Do one with and one without.
There we go.
All right. Here we have the Miss Marta in her natural habitat in front of a metal bowl. I'm gonna